Ed here with the Digital Digest, and today I wanted to share a quick unboxing and first look at the Wyze Cam. Now, this is a very inexpensive, I think it was a little over 25 US dollars. This was not furnished to me by the manufacturer. This is a little security camera, night vision, 14 days of cloud recordings for free, and 8 times digital zoom. I'm not planning on using that. And that's pretty much it. This is a tiny little security camera. Now, I have my home outfitted with Nest. So if you're wondering why, Ed, did you pick this up? It's because I have a new little puppy in the family. And I wasn't really ready to pony up for a Nest Cam dedicated for the pup just while he's going through growing pains. Eventually, over Black Friday, if the deal is good enough, I might jump on board. But of course, it's not just the price of the camera. It's the subscription too, until we finally get those new Nest plans in the new year in 2020. But 1080p, excuse me, full HD, two-way audio, motion detection. I really just need to have a way to monitor the little pup. So let's take a look at this thing. Now, I have read some reviews where people talk about it being a Chinese spy camera, things of that nature. And yes, those things do exist. Anytime that I get a correspondence from China with a security camera, I am a little bit suspect about how secure said security camera is and whether or not it's going to be security for me or them. But again, this is just to watch my pup. Yeah, they'll have access to audio. I'm not willing to sign my life away. It is also magnetic. Let's see how I open this thing up. And I've seen this before, deals on it all the time on Amazon. And I haven't had a reason because I didn't have a new puppy. And Rue, my cat, well, I don't need to watch him. He's about as well behaved as any pet could ever be, even though he has a fetish for eating plastic. But with this Wyze Cam, I used to monitor Rue once upon a time. He doesn't need it anymore. Let's go ahead and get this out. Oh, look, we can keep it fresh. So, mounting plate, a micro USB cable. I'm not used to seeing these too often anymore. And the power brick. And that's it. And to my knowledge, this is the actual stand. Yeah, there it is. So, it is magnetic. Again, that's what I've been told. Let's see if, yeah, you can see that right there holding the little switchblade. Don't worry, those are legal where I live. So it feels like a toy. I'm going to see what performance is like. Again, at $26, unless they are collecting blackmail footage of you, which in my case, they'd have to blackmail my dog, my puppy, which I'd like to see them do that. This seems like a great little solution if you're not looking to sell the farm in order to get a little bit of security footage going. So I will report back how it performs. Again, not furnished to me by the manufacturer. I would have told you if it was. I'll see how it works, what the setup is like. This is for physically mounting it. I'm not going to be doing that. And this I will put back in the box since that's a little bit of poison. Not sure why that's in there. Not sure what they're trying to keep fresh. But that's it. This is the Wyze Cam 1080p security camera. And I think the price was $26, a little under that. Any questions or comments, feel free to post them. Hit that like button. And as usual, please feel free to subscribe. Later.